Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to share your home location with only a few trusted friends on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to control exactly who can see your home location thanks to Facebook's new update. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now, on your profile, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled About. This section holds all your personal details, including your home location. From here, look for the Overview option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your basic information. Find your home location in the list. Right next to it, you'll notice a small audience icon. This icon controls who can see your home location. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with several privacy options. Here's where the magic happens. From the list, select Specific Friends. This option lets you hand-pick the friends who will be able to view your home location. A list of your friends will appear. Simply scroll through and select the people you trust. You can add as many or as few as you like. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save Changes. That's it. Now, only the friends you've chosen will be able to see your home location on your profile. This new update gives you more control and privacy over your personal information. You get to decide exactly who knows where you call home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.